Hi there, I'm John Sasaki from Channel 2 News. Every day I do stories about the ills of society. So when the folks here at the Child Abuse Prevention Council asked me to be a part of this video, I jumped at the chance. Here at CAPC they have a saying, it shouldn't hurt to be a child. Truer words have never been spoken. Every day these folks work diligently to make sure it doesn't hurt to be a child.
We provide education several different ways. We have a community education program, focuses on mandated reporter trainings and training individuals on how to identify suspected child abuse and how to report it. But we also coordinate a lot of efforts in Contra Costa that support families and that look at the issue of child abuse from a child welfare perspective and how we can do a better job of supporting families with our community partners.
Got a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. I never had a father involved in my life. So I want to be the best for my kids. I'm always there. This class really opened up how to treat my kids.
He helps me clean it up. He knows when things, he's very responsible now. So we're actually we're a happy family. We've been doing really well, and it's kind of sad that the class is over. It doesn't seem like 6 months at all. The time flies. I did have her after I believe the first class, and they've grown so much, and just time is going by so fast, and I just appreciate my kids more.
For me, it's very rewarding from the lifestyle that I led before. I have different ages in my own personal, with my children, and I see the effects, the long-term effects of domestic violence and substance abuse in my older children and kind of where they are as young women today.
We look at needs assessments, we listen to families, we listen to agencies, we listen to community members. What are the needs of the community? And then we design our programs to meet those needs.
Newborn Connections, CAPC's postpartum home visitation program, has been providing new parents in-home support and education for over 23 years. Newborn Connections now focuses on Spanish-speaking families who need a little extra support during their infants' first weeks and months of life.
This is the first program I've been introduced to. It has been an amazing amount of help with the support. Before I met these folks, it was very, very difficult. I never slept. I had no money. Since I've been with the program, I've gotten advice, I can sleep, I'm more rested, and I've received financial help.
Outreach programs serving vulnerable populations are a major part of CAPC's effort to provide prevention strategies. The Nurturing Parenting program delivers education in both Spanish and English. Cultural and local differences are taught in the class. CAPC's Nurturing Parenting class provides a unique parent education experience for low-income, at-risk families. This evidence-based program provides positive parenting education in a comfortable community atmosphere.
Caring for a baby compared to an 11-year-old, it's educational, and me personally, I found it spiritual at times.
A little boy who gives me lots of need for educational ways to take care of his overly active self. That's been really good because things are better at our house. I'm like 95% no spanking, so so I'm trying really hard.
CAPC has seen dramatic results from this culturally sensitive approach to support for parents. The unique 24-week program allows for weekly engagement and helps ease families into positive parenting skills and away from risky, even violent behavior.
I enjoy it. I learned a lot. It's our first child, and learning a lot of different things from other parents and the teachers, and learning more about being a parent. And
Is this a pretty good way of doing it, you think?
yeah. Because we're able to learn from the counselors as well as the other parents around us who have older kids. And it's really great that we get to bring our baby with us.
We depend on the adults who teach our children and care for their health and safety to act conscientiously toward the children in their care. California led the way in the United States by establishing the first mandated reporter laws requiring responsible adults to report suspected child abuse and neglect. Every day, local hospitals and clinics give reusable tote bags filled with information on child safety, infant nutrition, important neighborhood resources, and child development information to parents who are heading home with their newborns. Known informally as that long blue book. Available in both English and Spanish, CAPC provides more than 15,000 copies of Surviving Parenthood to parents, social workers, teachers, medical professionals, law enforcement officers, and daycare providers. So there you have it. Now you know that child abuse affects children across all racial, ethnic, religious, and socioeconomic backgrounds. It affects society on all levels. So we need your help. Please, right now, help the Child Abuse Prevention Council.
It shouldn't hurt to be a kid.